Rustam Burhonov is a restoration worker at the National Archaeological Museum. He is currently located in Sarazm, Panjakent, and is engaged with the restoration of unique historical monuments that have survived more than 5,500 years. Using special materials, he repairs broken objects that were found from the past. Although Rustam has a lot of experience in this field, he is very careful with how he repairs his jewelry and materials. We treat these artifacts and objects like they are our children. We work very carefully with them so as not to accidentally break them, because these artifacts have a history of 5,500 years. They were underground for so long, and now we have been finding and repairing them so we can put them in the museums. According to the archaeologists, it takes at least a month to repair a container, for example a pot, because the vessels and objects found have been buried under the soil for thousands of years. First, they are cleaned of salts with the help of special equipment, and then they are restored to their previous shape. The process is very delicate and requires a lot of effort. Till the eve of the 5,500th anniversary of the ancient Sarazm, Rustam Burhonov is trying his best to use his time wisely and with the highest quality, so items and utensils could be restored on date properly. There are special acetons and glues that we use to restore artifacts that are found. The reason we repair these vessels is mostly because in 10 to 20 years, someone else will want to repair them in a different way. The use of aceton makes it easier to work with. It is easier to restore the artifacts to their original forms. In the historical site of Sarazm, which expects to celebrate its 5,500th anniversary this year, work is underway on the improvement of the restoration of the historical monuments along with the preparation for the museum in the open air. One of the main places in the monument is the Palace of the Rulers of Sarazm, where work has been done according to needs. We are currently in the Palace of the Rulers of ancient Sarazm. This monument was discovered by us in 2004, and the area of this monument covers 900 square meters. From the point of view of Carbon Analysis 14, this place has a history of 5,837 years, or about 6,000 years. This was confirmed by the studies conducted by the scientists in Leningrad, France, and the United States. From the literature written by the world scholars on the discovery of these monuments, we have come to a final conclusion that this monument was the palace of the ancient rulers of Sarazm. Over the years, archaeological excavations have uncovered countless finds of Sarazm that reflected the traditions and ways of life, culture, art, employment, as well as urban unique life of ancient Sarazm. The preservation and proper presentation of such rare monuments is very important.